All right. What's going on, YouTube? How y'all feeling? You are now back with your boy, Tech with Tay. Yes indeed. Today we're gonna be doing another lab. This one will be a little bit more difficult than the last one we did. I have done a couple since doing the last video, and yes, I've learned some things that will be useful. And yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this, and yeah, there's gonna be an OSPF configuration. Let's go ahead and go to the computer here. All right. So yeah, I did find a labs online that I can use to give me a topology and pretty much like a network scenario. I did use some of these for the CCNA exam as well, just to help me there when I was doing some labs. So I'm kind of going back over these. So this is what we'll be using. I'll pull it back. So yeah, this is the lab topology. We'll be doing OSPF. This is the lab topology right here. So yeah, we'll be doing these set of tasks, and boom. Yes indeed. Let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, boom. So the first one. All right, enable a loopback interface on each router. Use the IP address of 192.168.0.x/32, where X is the router number. For example, so yeah, if it's router 1, it'll be 192.168.0.1. So let's see which router we have here. We're going to start here. This is R4. Let's go ahead and go into the CLI. Enable. Already enabled. All right, config T. So yeah, we're gonna go loopback address, loopback. I believe it might be IP loopback. IP loop. All right, that is not correct. Okay, hold on. Loopback address, loopback. Oh yeah, this is an interface. Hold on. Let me enable a loopback interface. Gotcha. Cool. So that'll be int for interface, loopback address. So yeah, this will be 192.168.0.4, and it's a /32. So that subnet mask is going to be a 255.255.255.255. Yep, did something wrong there. Loopback. It's going to be the loopback interface number. I guess we can just make it 4. Guess we can just make this one 4, since this is, let's go loopback 4. Loopback 4. Let's make sure interface loopback 4. Change to up, interface config. Let's go IP address 192.168.0.4, 255.255.255.255, and it already changed state to up, so we should be good there on that loopback interface. Right, so yeah, we're going to enable on each interface. We have to do these for all of the routers. So boom. What is this here? That's the internet router. R3. Already in enable mode. Config T. We're gonna go interface loopback. This is R3, so let's make that 3. Loopback 3. Alright. So yeah, same thing. IP address 192.168.0.3, 255.255.255.255. Cool there on R3. R2, config T, interface, loop back to IP address of 192.168.0.2/32, so that's 255.255.255.255. Alright, R1, boom, boom, config T, interface, loopback 1, bingo, IP address 192.168.0.1, 255.255.255.255. Alright, that's all our loopback addresses for our routers. We're going to enable single area OSPF on every router. Ensure all networks except 203.0.113.0/24 are advertised. So let's go ahead and get that popping. I'm just reading over the configuration here, making sure everything is kosher. Alright, let me look back at the lab topology. So our IP address is going to be the 10 dot range, and our routers are the 192.168. So we're going to need both of those networks on our OSPF. So let's get into the configuration. Boom, boom. All right, we'll start our R1 since that's where we left off. Exit. We're gonna go router. And remember always, if you don't know where something is, then you can always hit the question mark. That is a great tool to use. Even if you're taking the CCNA, you can also use that on the exam, so it's great to have. So yeah, we're gonna router OSPF. We'll make this area 1. OSPF 1. We're gonna go network, and the 10 dot is a /24 range. 192.168 is gonna be a matter of fact, it looks like it might be a /8. Alright, see, I didn't look at this configuration before we started, but yeah, so yeah, we're gonna need to. So it's a 10.1, 10.1, 10.1, and a 10.0. So /8. So yeah, network 10.0.0.0. And for the OSPF network configuration, you have to use it's called a wildcard mask. So instead of your regular subnet mask, would be like a 255.255.255.0. This is a wildcard mask, so it's pretty much flipped. So any of the 255s are going to be O's. So yeah, you pretty much do the backwards configuration there. So yeah, this is, since it's a /8, it'll actually be a O.0.0.255. Incomplete command. Where I mess up at? Network area 1. Set the OSPF area ID. That is the area ID. 1. Boom, boom, boom. Did I mess up here? It says 1 area. Oh wait, hold on. Oh, that was a process ID that we were actually doing for that one. So yeah, we'll make this area 0 because that's usually, what do they call it? The backbone area, I believe what they call it, your backbone routers, everything in that nature. So we'll just make this area 0. Area 0. There, that 24, that. Like 7 going on here. Right. What am I missing? Oh, area. It's telling me right there. You press the question mark. So yeah, area and the area ID. We'll make it 0. And now network 192.168.0.0. Right. I'm just checking these, make sure it's going well here. Checking the lab. All right, and it's a wildcard mask, so if that's a /24, you're gonna have a. As a matter of fact, that's a /24. That's a /38. And actually, all right, so you actually did that wrong. So yeah, let's make that network. So yeah, to delete something, let's show you how to delete here. You put no in front of the command. So you want to go no network, that network. So that's going to delete that network completely. We'll go back, and these are going to need to be 255 as well, since it's a /8. All right, so next network 192.168.0.0. And this is what I was thinking about here. So 0.0.0.255 area 0. All right, that's R1 completed. Let's go to R2, exit, and we're gonna go router OSPF 1. I'm gonna go network 10.0.0.0.255.255.255 area 0. Network 192.168.0.0.0.255 area 0. That's R2 completed. Boom, boom, boom. Go exit. We're gonna go router OSPF 1 network 10.0.0.0 0.255.255.255 area 0. Network 192.168.0.0.0.255 area 0. All right, R4. And you know what? I realized I just missed the router. All right, exit. We're gonna go. Let's finish this one before we get our router. Router OSPF 1 network 10.0.0.0 0.255.255.255 area 0. Network 192.168.0.0. Oh. So yeah, it's creating adjacencies now through the router, so our OSPF is working correctly. So that's good to see there. 0.0.0.255 area 0. All right, the router 5 is down there hanging out, hiding. So let's go and attack that. We need to go ahead and make the interface loop back. This will be 5. I'm gonna go IP address 192.168.0.5, and this was /32, so 255.255.255.255. And then let's do the OSPF on here. So we go router OSPF 1 Network 10.0.0.0.255.255.255 area 0. Network 192.168.0.0.0.0.255 area 0. All right, boom. That's all our routers. All right. Next one. What do you expect the OSPF router ID to be on R1? Verify this. We expect that router ID on R1 to be a 1.1.1.1. And let's do a exit. We're gonna go do show. I believe it's IP OSPF. All right, correct. That doesn't show the router ID though, so let's exit here. Let's go show. I believe it might be route. Let's go show IP route OSPF. Let's go and do show run or show run. See what we got. Alright, yeah, looks like we are good there. I do want to verify it, so let's verify it. It's gonna be one of these show commands, so let's see. It's gonna be one of these IP ones. IP routing protocols, process parameters, and statistics. I believe it's gonna be that one. Show IP protocols. Alright. Router ID is a 192.168.0.1. So, gotcha. It was a loopback interface's IP address, so that's cool to see. All right. Verify all 10.0.10.x.x.x networks and loopbacks are in the router's routing tables. Let's check routing tables. Show IP route. We have a bunch of 10 dots in there, so it looks like it should be there. All right, we'll go exit, do show IP route. All right, perfect. We'll exit here, do show IP route. Verify this one, do show IP route. There and there as well. And exit, do show IP route. Cool. All right, looking good, looking good. All right, set the reference bandwidth so that 100 gigabit interface will have a cost of 1. So we're setting the OSPF cost. Setting cost. Let's get that going. All right, cool. Setting the cost. Boom, boom. Okay, T. All right, router OSPF 1. The cost command is auto cost. We're setting the cost for reference bandwidth, and let's make it. It's gonna be 100,000. This is megabits. So, all right. It's telling us make sure it's consistent on all routers. We'll go ahead and do that. Router OSPF 1 auto. Can I spell auto? Auto cost reference bandwidth 100,000. Boom boom. Router OSPF 1. Right, router OSPF 1. Auto cost reference bandwidth. Bingo. Router OSPF 1. Auto cost reference bandwidth. Last router here. Router OSPF 1. Auto cost reference bandwidth. All right, we are good there. Now next, configure a default static route on R4 to the internet via the service provider at 203.0.113.2. all right, which one? R4 is here. Configure a static route. So exit this config. I'm gonna go IP route to the internet. So that's gonna be O.O.O.O 203.0.113.2. All right, let's make sure that OSPF has shared this across the other routers. Exit, do show IP routes. All right, let's check this one. Exit there, do show IP route. All right. It is not showing. Oh, we gotta do the default information. So it'll put it through the OSPF. So let's go router OSPF 1. This command is default information originate. That pretty much shares our force routing table with the rest of the routers that it's connected to. That it has adjacencies with would be the correct term. Go do show IP route. All right, it's there now. Do show IP route there now. Exit, do show IP route. We are here, and that was it. So bling blah bird. Not making I'm not gonna make these too long. Like I said, I don't want to keep going here too long, not yet at least, until I get some good traction on here. But yeah, that's a quick lab for you all. I hope that you all found this helpful. If you're studying for your CCNA, keep going, keep pushing. It's not too hard. You can get it done, I promise. If I can do it, anybody can. So yes indeed, it's a quick lab for you all. It was another video with Tech with Tay. Like, share, subscribe, tell everybody about me. But that's another one. Y'all stay blessed. Let's get it.